Don't fear failure, not failure. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. Keeping goals gives substance to life. Actively striving to achieve some goal will give meaning and respect to your life. Action is a highroad to self-esteem. Reject external form that fails to express internal reality. Absorb what is useful, discard what is not, add what is uniquely your own. Always stay within yourself, express yourself, believe in yourself, find a successful personality, and pursue it. The key to immortality is, first living a life worth remembering. Simplicity is the key to brilliance. Defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as a reality. Empty evil thoughts from your mind, formless, shapeless, like water. The more we value things, the less we value ourselves. To know oneself is to study oneself in action with another person. Life itself is your teacher, and you are in a state of constant learning. Do not allow negative thoughts to enter your mind, for they are the weeds that strangle confidence. If you don't want to slip up tomorrow, speak the truth today. Truth has no path. Truth is living and, therefore, changing. Real living is living for others. Mistakes are always forgivable, if one has the courage to admit them. Notice that the stiffest tree is most easily cracked, while the bamboo or willow survives by bending with the wind. If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made up of. As you think, so shall you become. Be happy, but don't get complacent with small successes. Self-reliance is the greatest strength. What a fool learns from a wise man learns more from a fool's questions. Knowledge is not the last word, we need the application of knowledge. Willing is not enough, want to act. If you don't want to walk in the dark, you can't expect light. Adhere to principles without being bound by others. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment. Subscribe.